to my channel. I just got home from Kuiper's farm in the last video that you saw, and I have plant mail. So I am going to open up these boxes. I'm gonna tell you who they're from. For starters, how cute is this? Little leaf stickers, so cute. Okay, this is a really weird setup, but it works. Am I right? I mean, good light. This is the first one. I already opened it up. This is from Christy Bim. She's in Louisiana, and I actually had plans to do a meetup with Christy. I was so bummed because if you guys follow my Facebook page, which I don't think you do, maybe Instagram. I think I posted it on Instagram. You're in my video, Mia. We were on our road trip to Louisiana back in March. We found a hidden camera in one of our hotel rooms, and that kind of detoured our plans from Louisiana, so we ended up leaving early. So I didn't get a chance to meet up with her. But she told me she wanted to send me some plants, and she did, and look! There's a little card in here, and let's read it together. Hopefully I'm trying to hide my... You're my shot! Everybody's in my video. Cute little card here. I love the detail in this card. How cute is that? I almost don't want to open it and like rip it. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty. That is so, oh, something fell. Oh, stickers fell out. It's a Christmas. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Look at this cute little cactus sticker. It's one of those like puffy ones. She says, "Hey Nicole, thanks for swapping with me, girl." Cause I'm sending her some cuttings, but they're rooting right now. She knows though. I just threw a couple things together for you. Everything should be labeled. If you have any questions about them, just let me know, and I hope you enjoy the fun sticker. They were cute. And now let's open the box. Oh, there's more sticker. Chrissy, you're so fun. Look. How adorable. All my kids are gonna jack me for these. I can already see it. Open it up here. I'm gonna take these out of the box so that they're packaged really well. Another note. Don't have a name for this guy or I'd share it with you. He's a floppy cactus. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna put the box aside here. Let's open the no name first. Hold on, I need scissors. Okay. Hi, I'm back. This is a really weird angle. Sorry for that, guys. Okay, cactus tells me to watch my fingers. You guys can't see. Oh, it's one of the little, oh, I know the name of this one. I think I can grab it. There he is. Look at that little guy. What the heck? What's the name of this one? I know it. Do you know the name of this one? The little pad one? No, it's the one that Grandma has it. Now I can't think of it. But anyway, there's that one, and I'm sure you guys will let me know. What? I think it's an opuntia, but I'm not sure what kind. Oh, it's packaged really well in paper that's recyclable, and look at, she even put this around it. Look, it's a green emerald. Peperomia, green emerald. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. One's still good. So we're all right. One leaf, but that's okay. Because we could grow from one leaf. Can't grow from no leaves. You know what I'm saying? Take a look at it. Make sure it's okay. Oh, are you okay? She got it wrapped so well too, and it's in sphagnum moss, which is great. Yeah, this leaf should be totally fine. See it? Oh, I'm so bummed, Christy, about the other leaves, but that's okay. We're gonna make that work. Thank you so much. Okay, let's get into this one. We had such a fun day at the farm today. Did you guys like that vlog video? What'd you think? All right, let's see. No, you did not. I just got done saying I want one of these and then I killed mine. Oh my God, what is that? Wait, she said the names are on them? Everything's labeled. she said. Well, I know what this is. This is a satin pothos, Scindapsus pictus. And I have been wanting one of these because I killed mine. I just posted on Instagram about this. It's so random that she sent this to me. Look at that. Look at those markings. Isn't that pretty? Oh, yes! Thank you! Mia, what is this? Oh, shoot. Philodendron? Christy. Thank you, Christy. This is the weirdest camera angle ever. Okay, I'm gonna put these in the box and then I'm gonna go get my other box from McKenna. Look at these stickers. Okay, box number 2. This is from McKenna. I met her on Instagram and she's also one of my YouTube subs. And she left me a little note. I opened the box already because I don't want to show my address because I've made that mistake before. Can you see it? No. Okay, she says, Nicole, here's your variegated string of hearts. I hope shipping wasn't too hard on it. I packaged it the best I could. I know that you're rooting the Hoya cuttings for me, which is so sweet. Yes, I am. So don't worry, I'm not expecting them right away. I just know that you were excited for this little guy, so I wanted to ship him ASAP. This is also my first plant trade. I don't really know what I'm doing, smiley face. Oh, I'm your first plant trade? That's so much fun. I'm super excited though. Thank you so much for being so nice, and I hope that your new variegated string of hearts brings joy into your life, McKenna, and I love your name. I love it. OMG. Ooh, okay. Paper. Recycle that. Packaged really nicely with some of this air stuff that, you know, keeps it from flying all over the box. And she taped it down. Girl, you've been watching some plant swap videos, haven't you? She taped it to the packaging and taped the packaging to the box. So really prevented it from flying all over the place, which I think I might do that in my next swap because I usually don't tape it down, but it's a really smart thing to do because plants, USPS doesn't care about your packages, let's just say that. Where's my scissors? Guys, I just did my string of hearts video and that's what she reached out to me from. And I was saying I wanted a variegated string of hearts. And Becca from De La Plants just posted a swap video with Pam from Pam's Pretty Plants. And she was talking about how the best way to get plants that are on your wish list are to do plant swaps. And I agree. I am so nervous. Ooh. Does anybody else agree that it feels like Christmas morning as a kid when you open up plant mail? It just, every single time it's like a surprise, and oh my goodness, they are perfect. Look at that. There's pink. Look, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. Oh my gosh. I want to take it out. You packaged this perfectly, McKenna. Props on your first plant swap. I think my first plant swap was with Pam from Pammy's Planty Things, and I don't think I did this good. Look, it's variegated string of hearts, like the one that's hanging by your head over there. Telling my husband. He doesn't get plant mail. Does anybody want to send my husband plant mail? He's jealous.
I'm not jealous.
No, he's not. He just steals my plants.
Yes, true.
Girl. This is just doing it. This is friggin' perfect. Look at that root system there on this little strand. I mean, hey. No, this is great. This should root right up. I'm gonna give it some water. It's just a little dehydrated. You can tell when the leaves start to curl up like that it needs a little water, but it's been in a box for the past few days, so, you know, we'll just stare at this for a second. Just, you know, You're getting very sleepy. I'm so excited about this. Thank you so much, ladies. Let me move this camera. That's a little bit better. Kind of. Whatever. I'm underneath my cabinets. Can you see that? That was so much fun. Thank you so much, guys. I do have your Hoya cuttings rooting up, and Christy, I'm gonna send you yours as well. I kind of stayed away from doing plant swaps over the past few months. This is my first one in a while, just because I wanted to bring all my plants in and assess and see what I had, what I lost, what I have room for, what I don't have room for. That's the real battle I'm having. But small plants are always great because you can just pop them on a shelf near a window and they don't take up a lot of space, which is what I'm going for this winter. So if anybody else wants to do a plant swap with me, feel free to reach out. Let me know in the comment section below. I know I have a lot of you guys that reached out on Instagram. I am keeping a list, I promise, of everybody that wants to do plant swaps. So we will get it going in the next few weeks. Because I finally got all my stuff inside. So now I can see what I have and, you know, what I want, and I can start putting stuff down on my wish list. Again, I have a small wish list that I already traded with someone, but I kind of want to reassess that and see if there's any big plants on there. I think I might take them off, to be honest. I just don't have room. But I'm so excited about these, and I can't wait to get them potted up. And I'll make sure I do an update in one of my next videos on how these guys are doing. All right, guys, if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. If you like plant swaps, give it a big old thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I do stuff like this all the time. I post randomly throughout the week. I don't have a set day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell, and you might get surprised in the morning with a new video from me. You never know. I will see you guys in my next one. Hold on.